Lesson 2.1, Graphing and Writing Inequalities. So our first vocabulary word is inequality, and that's just a statement that two qualities are not equal. Okay, it means there's going to be a range of solutions. Right? And the second one is a solution of an inequality. And this is any number that is going to make your inequality true. So if your inequality is x is less than 2, then any number you put in for x that's less than 2 is going to be a solution. Right? We have 5 different types of inequalities. We have a is less than b, a is greater than b, a is less than or equal to b, a is greater than or equal to b, and then a is not equal to b. All right, so we'll be using all 5 of these, but the ones you see the most are going to be these 4. We don't use a not equal to b that often. Okay, concept 1, identifying solutions of inequalities. So there are a number of ways of finding the solution to an inequality. A table is probably the most basic. It takes a little bit more time, so we'll be looking at other ways of finding solutions to inequalities in the next few lessons, but it is the most straightforward. Okay, you're choosing values for x. You should choose at least one negative value, 0, and one positive value. And then you're going to plug those values in. So I have x minus 1 in my second row. Okay, and then you'll have the result, or whatever those that side of your expression is equal to. And then all you have to do is tell whether your result is less than or greater than or equal to your answer, okay, your solution for your right side of your inequality. So I can come through and I can say, okay, I've got negative 2. Well, negative 2 is not greater than 2. Negative 1 is not greater than 2. 0 is not greater than 2. And 2 is not greater than 2. Right? But I found one that's equal to. So from there, I can go back in and I can say, okay, I'm going to do 3.1 as my next value. So 3.1 minus 1 is going to equal 2.1. And is that a solution? 2.1 is greater than 2. So now that I have found my solution, and this is my kind of first solution going upwards into positive values. So I should know that any value greater than this 3.1 is going to end up giving me a value greater than 2.1, and so it'll always be a solution.